Wood may fray, stone and clay will drift away. Plans we made, titles held, snap within a sudden spell. Wings are yours, keep and own, truest tone you've ever known. Born to fly, take the air, rise above soul's despair. Job and friend, steady line, telling souls that they're divine. But the world, external tide, shifting sands where shadows hide. Trust the fly.